Pleasant good morning to all my beautiful people. How are we doing this morning? Pleasant good morning to you all. So, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcoming you all back to my channel. Oh, how are we doing today? I hope we are all doing fine. As for me, I'm in good health. And thanks to the Lord for that, for waking up us to see another lovely day. And I'm just gonna give you a short vlog this morning. Can't tell you how short it will be, but it will be not too long. Anyway, guys, I'm going up by the supermarket because I have run out of cereal for my breakfast and milk. So I'm heading up by the supermarket to get me some of that stuff and maybe a few more items. So I'm taking you along with me. So I hope you will sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Okay? So stay tuned. So I'm here in the supermarket. This is my cereal that I normally use, this one with fruits and nuts, and this one is for $2.90. So I'm gonna take one of this, see, and there is another one that I normally mix it with, so I would take two. So let me see if I can find the other. I think it's this one. I normally mix it with this one. This one is with nuts and fruits also, but this one is more like oatsy. This one is like the oats, and this one is hard, like, you know, like popcorn. So I normally mix them together, but this one is small, so I will take this. It's the same. Anyway, I'll take those for now, and I'll go get some milk. But in the meantime, I'll give you a look of this. Is the cereal area, like wheat. And it's all bio. You see? It's bio. So I am in the bio section of the supermarket. I think I'll take a honey too, because I haven't have honey. I'll take the small bottle of honey. Yes. So I'm gonna go now where my milk are. I'm gonna choose milk. So So I am in the milk area. These are the milk. And my choice of milk, I normally use the banana, which is very nice. Guys, here, the banana, you must try this one. This is my choice of milk, banana. So I'll take one banana, and the banana is for €2.51. I'll take a banana. I've never tried these before, but I think I'm gonna try one of these too. So I'm gonna take one of this. This is no fat. This is for the vegetarians. And so these are all the milk that we have here in this area. See. Chocolate, vanilla, almond. I think this one is of nuts. This one is vanilla almond. Two of them mixed together. I think you should give them a try, guys, and see what they taste like. They are really good. So I'm gonna move along. I don't really need much stuff because I just came here to get what I run short of, and here in the supermarket they sell some clothes items at times, but I'm not interested. So I'm gonna go down now to the drink area. I need my favorite drink, which I will take you to see. I also need, I think I'll take, this is the tea area. It's all coffee. This is a tea area. Your choice of coffee, it is here. Whatever you choose to drink, it's right here. Whether it's Maxwell House, Plantation Selection, whatever you choose, it is right here. So I'm gonna move along. It's all coffee. So I'm heading down now to where my favorite place is. And these are also milk. I think I need one of this also. I'll take one of this also. So I'm here at where my favorite drinks are. You have Tutel, you have softies, you have all different kind of drink. Heineken with no alcohol. That one have no alcohol, guys. It's Heineken without alcohol, and that's for $3.65. And this panache. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I really enjoy drinking this one, so I'm gonna go with panache, and that one is for €2.48. So I'll put this in my basket. So guys, I took my panache. All I need now is ketchup and barbecue sauce, and then I'll go. I think this is the aisle for it. And yes, I think I need some thyme. So this is the herbs and seasoning area. You name it, they have got it. I need some time. But I'm not seeing the one in the bottle. I would prefer buy the one in the bottle, but I'm not seeing that one. Yes, it is here, but it's, look at that, €8. €3. €3. Yes, this one is for €3, guys. So I'll take that one. And everything you want in the Maggi brand, it's right here. The Maggi brand. Everything is here, guys. You see, this is the Maggi section. But for now, I don't need those. So I'm just going up the aisle. I need ketchup and I need barbecue sauce. And here they are. But I don't know why.
Ah, 634, il y a pas. Hein? Ils font pas 634.
I'll take this. I noticed the barbecue sauces are never big. They are always small. But the ketchup, they are big. So I'll take one of these too. And I think this is basically it for me now. I'm finished, so I'm gonna go to the cashier now. Oh, I think I need, no, I don't need any of these. I'll cash out for now. These are your smell good area. This is in your smell good area, guys. All in the bio section. You see how this one is expensive? €4. Look at it. Yeah. I'm on my way back home. So if you like this video, let me know. Remember, I told you it was a short video. So I don't know how short it is. But I hope you like it. And here comes the tram. So I'm gonna say bye for now, guys. I'm going in now to have my breakfast. Do you know what time it is? It's 12. It's 12 o'clock. And I'm just gonna have my first meal, which is my cereal. So see you later, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you later.